Hello everybody, and thank you for joining me once again. We're looking at question number 13 now on the 2008 Grade 7 Gauss contest. Okay, now hopefully you've given this a try. It's a question about angles and triangles, just from looking at the picture, but what exactly have we got going on? Well, question 13, in the diagram, triangle PQR is isosceles, as signified over here by the two dashes through the isosceles lines, the equal side length lines. The value of x, which is down here in the corner, is, okay, well, let's draw a picture in our notebook, and we'll see what we can see. Now, this question uses a couple interesting properties. First of all, if you are an isosceles triangle, you have the same angles opposite the same side lengths. Okay, so that's pretty useful. The 40 doesn't exactly help us, but now we've got the same number down here in these corners. The other property that we're going to find useful is that if we have two lines crossing each other, opposite angles are the same value. So these dots are the same, these checks are the same. So if I have x degrees down here, then across from the intersection, we must also have x degrees. And if there's an x degrees opposite the one of these identical side lengths here, then there's an x degrees opposite the other one, because the same angle must be opposite the same lengths. And now, I know that the sum of the angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. So, PQR has the sum of the angles being 180 degrees. That's 40 degrees plus 2 copies of x degrees. So now it's just an algebra question. I subtract 40 degrees from both sides. I'll get 140 is 2x degrees. Now I divide by 2. And I'll get x degrees is 70. And 70 should be one of our possible answers. There it is, it's B. So we would bubble in B, and we move right along to question number 14.